Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to track orders on Weverse. So first of all, open the Weverse application. You can see over here, Weverse has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to track the orders, you'll have to go to the shop interface. For that, tap on the shop option that you can see at bottom. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the Weaver shop over here. So in order to track your order, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, order history, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your orders over here. Right now I do not have any orders, but I'll tell you what to do. In the specific order, tap on the option order details. After you do that, you'll be able to see the tracking status and tracking number over there. So you'll be able to track your order. So that is how you track orders on Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.